Welcome back to Market Headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today JCI was open at the level of 7,164.95. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,175.28. And then the index was showing a strengthening trend. By the second session closing time, the index was closed at the level of 7,177.17. And in short, JCI went up 0.34%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got energy as the leader of the strengthening trend that went up 1.17%. Basic went up 1.07%. Technology went down 1.16%. And non-cyclic went down 0.24%. Moving on to top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Bumi went up 5.33% to the level of 178 per share. BBRI went up 0.91% to the level of 4,430 per share. And Adro went up 2.16% to the level of 3,780 per share. And Bank Central Asia went up 0.61% to the level of 8,200 per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got MDKA went down 2.43% to the level of 4,020 rupiah per share. Antam went down 1.55% to the level of 1,905 rupiah per share. Inco went down 2.93% to the level of 5,800 rupiah per share. And Goto went down 1.36% to the level of 286 rupiah per share. Next, we are going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 14,865, rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 14,909. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.31. Sumber Alfaria Trijaya experienced performance growth in the first semester of 2022. The company's net profit shot 44.8% year-on-year to 1.23 trillion rupiah.
Sumber Alfaria Trijaya experienced performance growth in the first semester of 2022. The company recorded an increase in net profit and revenue in line with continued store expansion. Based on the financial statements, the company's net income reached 47.88 trillion rupiah in the first semester of 2022, an increase of 13.91% compared to the first semester of 2021. The increase in the company's revenue was also followed by an increase in cost of revenue to 37.95 trillion rupiah, or an increase of 13.43% year-on-year. However, the company still posted an increase in gross profit of 15.79% to 9.92 trillion and operating profit rose 49.09% to 1.67 trillion. Thus, net profit shot 44.82% to 1.23 trillion from the previous 853.28 billion in the first semester of 2021. Director and Corporate Secretary of Sumber Alfaria Trijaya, Tomin Widian, say the company had added 600 new outlets by the end of the first semester of 2022, or 60% of the target of adding 1,000 new outlets throughout 2022. IDX Channel reports.